Right, here I am down at the East Bowl on January 6, 2022. Time is 9:55 a.m. and I'm going to run a circuit again today, see what's going on or not going on. In the East Bowl is pretty quiet right now. Not really any activity down here, nor has there been for probably a week at least. I think all the activities down on the west end of the project right now. Also, one thing I'm noticing today, which I'll mention, I think yesterday when I was, or no, Tuesday when I was down here, this little pool area out here I thought was frozen over. But I think that's incorrect. I think it's just that it's muddy and thick and it has a gleam, so it gives the appearance that it could be, but I think it's just basically mud. It's not frozen over. So last Tuesday probably wasn't frozen over. So not much to show down here today, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this. I think I may try something new today. I think I may cross over and around and go over and shoot from the front of the library over there, since I have my stool now, just to see what that might look like. So we just pan around here slowly. We can see really no developments here today. And it could be that this won't get any attention for at least a week or two or longer, I'm thinking. But we'll see. All right, I'm going to stop this here and move on around, try to shoot from the line. All right, here I am over by the library now. Get a different perspective over here. See back across the lagoon there. And let's make a sweep across here from this perspective. I'm not sure this really gives that much more of a decent advantage over the other side, but in the future it might. Currently, I'm thinking it's not really worth it. And way over there, I see one of the supervisors of the site. I don't know if it's the main guy, but might be one of the secondary guys. But not really much you can see from here. I can see back over there into the Civic Lawn over in front of the Saguaro Hotel. There's piles of gravel over there. It'll probably be used for irrigation and whatnot in the future, I'm sure. Getting all that laid out, but just a short shoot from here just to see what the perspective is. I've come down here a couple of times, but I didn't have my stool, so I couldn't really see very well. So it's now 10:03 a.m. I'm going to finish this up here, and then I'm going to move around to the West Bowl. Well, West Paseo first, maybe the West Bowl, but we'll see. Alrighty, ending this up here. Right, here I am down at the West Paseo. Time is now 10:18 a.m. Looks like we do have some stuff going on down here we can check out. So I've been been using some of their gravel here, probably in some of the irrigation trenches or somewhere. I'm not really sure what they do with that, but if you look down the West Paseo, there's not really a whole lot that different down here today, but they are moving around and doing some stuff down here. See down into the West Bowl there. Looks like a lot more stuff is dug up through there. Go down and check that out here in a minute. But most of the activity now is down on the west end of the project. I'm gonna make a slow pan around here. We're getting quite a bit of more of their flexible piping in. There's a whole load of it back over there. And what's down here below me. So a lot of catch basin and irrigation work to come, it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to move on up the stairs here, get some better views of the West Paseo area. Got a hummingbird right there on the railing. Got a hummingbird feeder right here, so probably attracts the hummingbird over here, no doubt. Also noticed on top of the Bischoff's building right there, they've been doing some roof work over the last few days. I saw them down here on Tuesday, I believe, so maybe they're all the rain that we had lately revealed some leaks that need to be patched, so the Bischoff building is getting some attention there. I'm going to move on around here out onto the point here, see what we can see. Down back around here. My gimbal will cooperate with me. Doesn't seem to want to do it. I'll also have to turn by hand here. But looking down the West Paseo here, sunny day, so a lot of glare on the iPhone screen. Sometimes I can't really see what's on it at all. Glare is so bad, but this gives us a general idea of what's going on here on the West Paseo. See the pipe down there that they have stockpiled, so a lot of underground work yet to be done, trenches to be dug. See down into the West Bowl there. See what's going on. So they're doing some stuff. I'm sure there's a lot of trench work and stuff yet to be done down there in the West Bowl area. So I'm going to try to get around over there and see what's going on here before too long. I have to use my stool today since the benches are no longer available to me. So I'm going to make a slow pan around here. This will just be sort of making sure I'm benchmarking my days, see what's what. So this is the West Paseo today. So I'm going to end this video here and find another spot to shoot from. Alright, here I am down at Brown and Main. I'm going to shoot over the fence. This probably hasn't changed that much, but I just want to get a shot over this whenever I can, so that as time progresses be able to see how it evolved from being torn down back on October 25 of last year, 2021. Then we get to January of 2023, we'll see how it's progressed. So I'm going to stop this here and go around to the West Bowl. I'm going to try to do it without my stool today. I'll haul that thing all the way over there. Alrighty. Right. Crossing out of the parking structure over to the West Bowl here. And AZ88 still got their Christmas tree going there. And here's some activity over here in the West Bowl. Got like a tractor combo here working on something down here. I'll shoot a little bit here. And then I'm going to move on around to the stairs. Got an outhouse in front of me now. All right. I'm going to end this here. And right here I am up on top of the stairs. Guys are right below me here doing some trench work, it looks like. See a trench open below me right here. Doing some trench work here. And so we got a lot of activity down here in the West Bowl area. I'm going to go up just a little bit higher. I'm not sure this will do me any good. We can see down here, just trench work. Right, so we do have some stuff going on down here. Largely just trench work. I think that's what'll be going on for the next week or two. Just getting all the irrigation trench work laid out and covered back up and ready to go. So 10:35 now. I think I may wrap this up here for today. Call it good. Not a whole lot of excitement today, but just a lot of basic infrastructure that has to be set up before you can start the more elaborate construction work stages, concrete and all of that. So I'm going to finish this up here, and like I say, this might be it for today. Alrighty, I